Hello and welcome to the StartHereOkanagan.com employer account creation video. We'll go through a few steps to create your account and get your first jobs posted on the job site. The first step is to head to the hiring button in the navigation bar, which will allow you to create a new account. This hiring page has some information about Start Here Okanagan and the tools available to you as an employer. We'll be going through those in the course of this video. So click on Find Your Next Employee and you can complete the account creation information here, and an email will be sent to you as soon as you hit Create My Account. When you log in, you'll be presented with this dashboard screen, and from here you can start to fill out some of the information you'd like to be present on the public-facing page. You can access the profile by clicking either here or by heading down here to My Account and using the drop-down, which allows you greater administrative access. Account settings is the company information, the basic information, and right now you can see that there is no logo updated, so we're going to upload that right now. Choose a logo, which is a PNG or a JPEG, and upload it. Takes a moment to load, and there you'll see that your company logo is now present up here. And head down to the bottom and just save your changes. We're working on an account here that I created as a demonstration one, so you'll be able to see that some of this has already been filled out for you. Now we're going to edit profile. You can do that by clicking on this icon right here, which is your logo, or you can go to company profiles down here in the sidebar menu. You can see here that I've already started to fill out some of the basic information. This field here will be pre-populated based on the information that you put in when you logged in. It's important to have your company website here, and then in this section here is your company description. This is where you introduce your company. What does your business do? Where do you operate, and what markets do you serve? What makes you unique? This information is going to be your sales pitch to those looking at your company for employment. We suggest a short paragraph which talks about your company, what it's like to work with you, some imagery, and then how to connect with you. You can use these formatting tools up here to help embellish your text. If you're copying from an existing document or a website, be aware that the right-click and copy function doesn't work in this field. You're going to need to use this command here, Control and V, to paste in the text from another source. The formatting tools allow you to add bullet points or a numbered list, images from a URL only. You can't upload images, but you can copy over an image from your website. Or if you're a little more into the programming and coding, you can actually move into viewing it in that format, and you can code directly in HTML. Your logo is present here, and we recommend regularly saving your changes. Viewing profile will open a window which will allow you to see what your company profile is looking as you're working on it. You'll see down the bottom commentary about credits. I want to speak a little bit about this because StartHereOkanagan.com is a free service provided to employers in the region. The software that we use requires a credit process, but we're not charging for it. So you'll see throughout the website as you're using the back end that sometimes it requires you to indicate how many credits you'd like to use. Have no worry, you will never be charged for this. This is a completely free service. So we'll go back to our dashboard now. To post a job, you can do so from the dashboard or from the sidebar menu. On the dashboard, you simply click Add New. On the Post Your Job page, it starts with how long would you like this job to be live. You can select 30 days or 60 days, and as you notice, this all comes with a charge of $0. Critical information you'll need to be able to enter: the posting date. What day would you like your job posting to go live? And from that, 60 days will elapse before it unpublishes automatically. You'll enter your job title. Your location, which should autofill, and a short description. This short description will appear in the search results when somebody is looking for jobs. The full description field is where you put the complete details about the posting. You can copy and paste from existing source documents such as your website or a Word document using these tools right here. You can further format using the tools here. Once you've put your description in, you can indicate how you would like people to apply. StartHereOkanagan has its own application process which you can use directly through the website and manage candidates that way. However, you may have your own processes already in place, in which case you select this option. You can either direct people to a website, which might be a recruiter website or your own careers website, or you can provide instructions here on how you want them to apply. Job type allows you to indicate what kind of employment you're looking for. You'll see there is a special category which is available right now called COVID-19 hiring for urgent and immediate hiring related to that pandemic. You can choose multiple types of contract. You can also choose multiple types of job categories. You'll notice that there's an opportunity for multiple companies to be set up underneath your profile. This might be helpful if you have a parent company with multiple different companies underneath it, or differing departments that have different kinds of hiring needs and processes. In most cases, you'll simply have one company profile. If anything is missing in your description, an alert will pop up. This takes you to a confirmation page. You can proceed straight through that. And you will be taken to a receipt page, which is a final confirmation step. Remember, no charges will be coming to you for this service. Simply go back to credit and invoices, and then back to your dashboard. On your dashboard now, you should see this new job that you've created. It tells you that it's scheduled. That will be going live tomorrow. Once it's live, you will be able to view job statistics and candidates who have viewed and applied for it. And you'll also be able to see, once it is live, how many more days it will be published. If you'd like to edit anything, you can go back to the same window where we were before, entering in the job information. Or you can manage the job and maintain it or delete it from that page. Any candidates who apply for the jobs through the website will be shown here, and the statistics page can show you information on job views. So let's have a look at what these jobs look like publicly. We'll use the City of Penticton as an example. This is their profile page on the public site. You can see this is their long form description of their company, the perks of working with them, and they've even uploaded some videos and embedded some social media. Below this, you'll see the open positions that are currently published with the City of Penticton. This is the title of the job, and this is that short form description. Clicking on one of them will take you to the long form description of the job and an opportunity to apply or save for the job seeker candidate. When job seekers visit StartHereOkanagan.com, they visit this landing page first. The categories that you see listed here show those that have the most number of jobs posted within them. This is a dynamically changing list. As jobs are added to categories, this flows and changes. If you were looking to see all of the job categories, you could click on View All Categories and scroll through. Similarly, you could also filter down to jobs that were available in certain locations. Once you click on a category, you can see those jobs that are available. And you can filter further by contract type or categories. From your dashboard, you'll be able to see how many jobs are live. Clicking on the button will scroll you down to the bottom to show you which ones. You can see here this will expire in 59 days. If you had multiple jobs here that had expired, you could also republish them simply by clicking on Information, and at that point there would be a Republish option up here. From your My Account section here, you can also add users. You may have other people within your organization that you would like to have involved in accessing Start Here Okanagan. You can also control what kind of access they have. Simply add user, enter their information, and then choose which kind of access you'd like them to have. Limited access is basically view only. Administrator is the same access that you have. And that is your basic tour of your Start Here Okanagan employer profile. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Happy hiring!